Welcome back to the channel, RV enthusiasts and off-grid adventurers. Today, we are taking a deep dive into an ultra-compact travel trailer that is proving you absolutely do not need a massive, heavy, and expensive rig to enjoy the great outdoors in absolute comfort. We are talking about the brand new 2027 Coachmen Remote 13R, a lightweight, rugged, and brilliantly designed camper that is taking the RV market by storm. One of the true marks of a reputable manufacturer is the willingness to listen to real-world customer feedback and actually integrate those suggestions into new products, and Coachmen RV is doing exactly that. The Remote 13R initially debuted for the 2026 model year as part of the Remote 7-foot wide series, a lineup that places a massive emphasis on compactness, towability, and a full range of features designed to allow for off-grid and off-road adventures. It instantly earned the reputation of being a premier couples coach, the unofficial star of a very successful lineup. Now, for the 2027 model year, Coachmen has returned to the drawing board to refine and upgrade this little powerhouse, making it the perfect mix of comfort, convenience, solid build quality, and an affordable price point. If you have been searching for a travel trailer that you can easily tow with an SUV, yet still pack enough features for an extended stay in the wilderness, you are going to want to pay close attention to this one. Let us start by looking at what is new for the 2027 model year, because Coachmen has introduced some fantastic upgrades. On the outside, you will immediately notice the modernized exterior graphics that give the camper a fresh, aggressive, and contemporary look. However, the most significant changes are found when you step through the friction-hinged entry door. Where the previous year offered an all-white interior that could sometimes feel a bit clinical, the 2027 model introduces starker color contrasts for a much more popping visual experience. You now get gorgeous dark gray cabinets paired with white walls and stylish off-white upholstery. This aesthetic shift completely elevates the interior, making it feel surprisingly elegant and incredibly modern for a camper of this size. Beyond the aesthetics, the appliances have also received a major upgrade, which is arguably even more relevant for those looking to spend time off the grid. The new Remote 13R now offers a highly efficient 12-volt refrigerator right out of the factory.
To keep that fridge running smoothly, Coachmen has equipped the trailer with 200 watts of roof-mounted solar and a dedicated charge controller as standard equipment, with the option to upgrade to 400 watts if you plan on doing some serious boondocking. The kitchen also benefits from higher-end appliances, most notably a convection microwave that includes a built-in air fryer function. In a compact travel trailer where every square inch matters, these little functional upgrades make a world of difference. While the updates are fantastic, Coachmen was smart enough to leave the fundamental core of the Remote 13R completely unchanged in all the ways that truly matter. This remains an incredibly versatile couples unit that boasts a full kitchen, a highly functional dry bathroom, and a surprising amount of storage space. Measuring a nimble 18.3 feet in total length, or roughly 5.5 meters, the Remote 13R is the second smallest entry in the entire Remote series. It rides confidently on a single axle equipped with 15-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in aggressive off-road tires, meaning it is more than ready to tackle gravel roads and uneven terrain to get you to that secluded campsite. You get a manual tongue jack up front and manual stabilizer jacks on all four corners to keep the unit perfectly steady once you arrive. The construction of this trailer is genuinely superior to many other travel trailers sitting in this competitive size category. Coachmen utilizes an AlumaCage construction with double Asdel composite panels underneath a protective layer of fiberglass. This means you are getting an incredibly durable, weather-resistant shell. In fact, this is essentially a zero-wood construction travel trailer, which completely eliminates the fear of structural rot and delamination over time. The only wood you will find inside this towable is used for the structural cabinetry, and even that is minimized to shave off precious weight. Coachmen cleverly uses elastic netting instead of heavy traditional wooden doors for several of the storage compartments, a brilliant weight-saving measure that also happens to look rugged and outdoorsy. The interior layout is an absolute masterclass in maximizing a small footprint. At the very front of the trailer, you will find an oversized dinette area that is remarkably spacious.
It can easily accommodate 6 people for a card game or a meal, and you could probably squeeze 8 people in there if you really tried. But the absolute biggest highlight of this convertible dinette is its sleeping versatility. At night, this space is designed to function as 2 comfortable twin beds, making it perfect for friends traveling together. However, if you are traveling with a partner, these beds seamlessly join together to form a massive, luxurious full king-size bed. In a travel trailer measuring just over 18 feet, a king bed is a level of proper luxury that is practically unheard of. Moving toward the middle of the coach, the off-side kitchen comes well equipped for meal prep on the road. It features a large stainless steel sink, a front-to-back mounted 2-burner cooktop to maximize counter space, and the aforementioned convection air fryer microwave neatly tucked underneath. You get a decent amount of storage in the overhead cabinets and the under-the-counter drawers. Across from the kitchen area is a dedicated entertainment and storage unit that Coachmen refers to as the trusser. This piece offers 2 large storage cubbies below, 2 more overhead, and a backing plate designed to securely hold a television and a Bluetooth speaker system. As we move toward the rear of the trailer, to the left of the entrance, you will find the upgraded 12-volt refrigerator and the bathroom. This is a dry bath setup, meaning the toilet and shower share the same enclosed space, but it is not a wet bath because the layout is brilliantly optimized. While it does omit a bathroom sink to save space, it features a remarkably nice shower complete with a curtain and a skylight for extra headroom and natural light. It also includes an angled porcelain foot flush toilet and practical storage in the form of a medicine cabinet and a metal shelf. Storage is a recurring theme in this clever layout. You get the proprietary remote totes, which are textile organizers equipped with Velcro removable pouches that you can stick to the walls in the bathroom and the dinette area. There is also extensive storage available under both beds, with one side accessible directly from the interior, and a neat hidden metal locker box included to keep your valuables safe and secure. When it comes to keeping you comfortable regardless of the weather outside, the 2027 Remote 13R is packed with premium standard features.
The climate control system includes a low-profile rooftop air conditioner and a powerful furnace. You also get a high-end Fagati on-demand tankless water heater, meaning you will never run out of hot water during a shower. Ventilation is handled by a premium Max Air power fan, and the exterior features a power awning that runs nearly the entire length of the trailer, complete with integrated LED strip lights for evening ambiance. When you are ready to head completely off the grid, the autonomy features of the 13R truly shine. Alongside the standard solar package, this tiny trailer boasts incredibly large holding tanks for its class. You get an unbelievable 52 gallons of fresh water capacity, 27 gallons of gray water capacity, and 27 gallons of black water capacity. It is also prepped for Starlink, ensuring you can stay connected even in the most remote locations. With an empty weight of just 2,781 pounds and a maximum gross vehicle weight rating of 3,800 pounds, this unit is exceptionally easy to tow with a wide variety of vehicles. The 2027 Coachmen Remote 13R proves that it is vastly more than just a compact trailer. It is a meticulously engineered, rugged little home on wheels that is truly ready for absolutely anything.